Feel hard coming up with captions on TikTok? You can use the Shulex caption generator. Use this tool to rephrase and enhance your existing captions effortlessly. You can start using this caption generator by searching the link you can see on your screen. After that, choose the Tool tab and look for TikTok Caption Generator. On those easy steps, you can have your caption, but first, give the asking information. Just choose the platform that you will use. Choose your style, select your language, type a short description, and the last step will be type your keywords. And then click Generate. With this tool on your side, it's like having a proficient copywriting assistant who is well-versed in algorithms, works at an accelerated pace, and is always available to support you whenever needed. Enjoy the Shulex Caption Generator for free.